In this video, I'm going to guide you through how to update FIFA Mobile application using your iPhone. If you want to update to the latest version of FIFA Mobile, or if you just don't want to miss that latest update for the app, you can simply go ahead and follow these quick steps. Open up your App Store or your Play Store and then in the search box, search for FIFA Mobile. After you find the application in the search result, tap on it to open it up. Now, if you see the open button popping up right beneath the app, it means your application is up to date. If you see an update button, simply tap on the update button to download the latest version of the FIFA Mobile application. So that is how you can easily update your application for FIFA Mobile and enjoy the latest version. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Goodbye till then.